Hey, welcome to another quick video here on Yusuf Onobekun's channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching you how to quickly duplicate your site or your sales page or your landing page from one Elementor, moving from one domain to another domain under 2 minutes. Now, let's say I want to transfer this, and I've clicked on edit with Elementor. So it's going to take me to the main sales page. It's going to take me to the main sales page, and I can easily just save my Elementor as this. So save as a template. After saving it as a template, I go back to the main sales page. I've saved it here. Download. This is it over here. So we move back to where we want to use it, and you come to this page. Let's say we want to use it on this page. Let me go back to the main admin page. So you see how we got here. Now we've created a page we want to use it on. Let's say we want to use it here, and we have our element already. Now you come to templates, click on save template. You can right click so it open on a new tab. So you import it here. So when you've imported it here, so the next thing you want to do is you want to create your new page. So let's just use this sample page that is already created for us. Now this is a whole different ballgame. So what you want to do is you come here, choose the template, which is Elementor Canva. You update it. Now we have that, so you click on edit with Elementor. So as you can see, we have so much junks here, so you can just delete. But most times I always advise you just go with the new page, but you want to make it as fast as possible because of the theme of the website. That's the reason we're having this blue background. So we just go to our template here, we drag our template out, we put it here, and we search for our template we already have, which is this. So there you have it. So if you want to edit this template, you click on edit template. So when you click on edit template, it gives you the chance to change all the elements inside. Maybe you want to add one or two things, like maybe you want to change this one, you want to add a form and the likes. It makes it very easy for you to do. So this is how you quickly edit your Elementor under 2 seconds. Now the most another tricky one is how to change our permalink leave. Now when we go back to our main dashboard, this is it. So just come here, do quick edit. You don't need to, and give it the name you want to give it to. Let's say help you. That's the name you want to give the permalink. So now just reload. Still showing our sample page, so we have not changed it. This is it. It is slugged that you change. So LP, it's going to make it very easy for you. So when you do that, you've changed the name, you've changed this, so your new slug is going to be LP. So that's the way to quickly edit your Elementor under 2 minutes. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.